Hello, good morning, everyone. It is the 9th of December 2020, Wednesday morning here in Hamburg. My name is Maurice Rothwell, English live trading coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg. So today we've got another German market opening trade on the DAX. So we've got around 10 minutes until market opening, so we're going to go ahead and set up our chart. Over here we've got our DAX chart window. We're going to right click on the chart, go to templates, and we're going to scroll down to open range breakout DAX, specifically made for this morning trade. So once we get the template in the chart, you'll notice that the chart changes. First of all, it's white, and if we look in the chart, we can see these purple lines here going across the screen. These are called big numbers simply because they are big numbers in the chart, so big numbers in the price. We consider these to be pivot points in the market. The next part of this, or the main part of this template, is this orange box here. As you can see on the left hand side, the smaller box, we've got a slightly darker shade of orange. Now this is our open range, so this is calculated between the hours of 7:15 and 7:30 UK time, and it's taking the highs and the lows from the time frame, creating a range. Because usually, or to say statistically speaking, backtracing, once we take the range from this time frame at 9 o'clock every day, we would see a breakout of this range. So this is why we've created this template as the open range breakout here. Next thing, to start off the trade, we're going to open up our SwissBox here in the expert advisors. So TC24 SwissBox, double click. Very important. Need to change the magic number here, as I've actually already got some DAX charts open here at the bottom. You can see I've got the DAX, and there's Swiss boxes currently loaded within, so I need to change that magic number every time. So once you've input this into the chart, in the top right hand corner you're going to see a red or a gray box. This is our SwissBox configurator. So it's pretty simple. First things first, we click our box lines off and it turns them on. So now it's on. And then in the chart, we're going to see these two lines will appear, this green line and the red line. So this is our actual SwissBox. And these two lines represent two pending orders. So the green one is a buy stop pending order, and the red one is a sell stop pending order. Essentially, what we're trying to do with this SwissBox is trap the market within this range of the box before an expected breakout. And the way it works is, let's take it over this range here, and we're going to go over here. So we can see exactly how many trades we're able to make with this SwissBox. As the way it works is, every time the market will move outside of this box range, it's going to trigger one of our pending orders. So as soon as it's moved past here on the green line, it would have triggered our first order into a buy. Then if this was to be a fake out, and then we would see a complete rejection, and the market would then tumble down past our red line, it would then trigger our second pending order into a sell. It's giving us more chances to catch the market movement before an expected breakout. So it's very important to follow stuff like the market openings and follow news announcements that are going to affect the corresponding markets. As you can see, we only have a certain amount of trade allowance to use up. So next thing, in the configurator, we can see we have different sets. So these are different risk settings and target profit settings. And as you can see on set 1, the lowest risk of the presets, we actually get a bigger trade allowance of 11. But if we go to set 4, we have a smaller, but then our target profit is a lot higher and the risk is a little bit higher also. So what I'm going to do, we've got 5 minutes until the market opening. I'm going to take this C-box trade over here. We've got our open range but I'm going to go and take this C box and we're going to hit our entry on. So once we've set all of our preferences, our box size is correct, and we're happy with the risk settings and take profit settings, then we can then look to open our box. So I've opened the box here on the what's called a C box, so it's on the top of our open range. What I'm expecting or hoping for is that the market will now reach out into our C box and should get a rejection. However, we can also just as easily create an inside C box here of the range, as our box size is 15 and as we can see our open range is 18.5. So we can actually put our SwissBox on the inside also if we wanted. So now that the market price is inside our box, those two pending orders are active. However, if we had left it on the top on the C box, then the box would have been pending. So the two pending orders wouldn't actually be active at that time. So now we're going to wait until the market opening in 4 minutes and we'll see what happens. So we got the market opening now. As we see a steep drop. As we know, the market opening is the opening of the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, 9 o'clock here in Germany, and it's the collision of both the futures market and the cash market. So that's why there's a lot of expected volatility at the opening, sort of a price correction, you could say. So first pending order triggered into a buy. If we move over to our SwissBox configurator, we can see one.trade telling us it's the first trade and it's in a shade of green. So that is telling us it's currently a buy. And underneath we can see the exact profit or minus of that trade and the percentage of that profit or minus also. So once the first trade is triggered, our take profit is automatically set in the chart. And again, the take profit is set at the target percentage, which is already preset in the SwissBox configurator. Semi-automatic system. So all we need to do is place our boxes in the correct places, correct time of day, and yeah, let the SwissBox do its work. So this is the great thing about it. So we're getting a bit of a push up in the market price at the moment. Currently, we're actually at nearing the all-time high again. All-time high was set over here back in September, and we've slowly climbed our way back up. So as we can see there, we've had a rejection on the market price, and now we're coming back down into our box. So 5 minutes after the market opening, we're seeing a bit of a downturn here in the market price, and we're about to trigger our second pending order into a sell. And there's the trigger, and our take profit has now moved from the top to the bottom of our SwissBox here. So again, in the configurator in the corner, we can see two.trade, second trade, and it's a red shade telling us that that is a sell. And we can currently see that at the moment we're minus 8 or 9 euros, so minus 0.07% currently until we reach that take profit. So currently 20 minutes after the open, we've now broken. We've had a long battle here at the bottom with a hard support, and now we've actually triggered into our third trade, and we've now broken through this kind of Fibonacci here. It was a bit of a resistance line beforehand, but there was strong support here at the bottom, and there's our breakout triggered on our take profit. So very simple, guys. Thank you for watching. Please check out the other videos. If you're interested, get in contact with us, TradersClub24.com, and we can help you learn to trade successfully like this. Thank you very much.